How many hertz does a TCL Roku TV have? TCL Roku TVs typically have a refresh rate of either 60 Hz or 120 Hz depending on the model. Most budget and mid-range models come with a 60 Hz refresh rate, while high-end TCL Roku TVs, especially those with QLED or Mini LED technology, offer 120 Hz for smoother motion. The refresh rate affects how fluid the display appears, particularly in fast-moving scenes. First, standard refresh rate of TCL Roku TVs. The majority of TCL Roku TVs have a 60 Hz refresh rate. This is common for budget-friendly and mid-range models, providing smooth visuals for everyday viewing, streaming, and casual gaming. A 60 Hz refresh rate is sufficient for most users who watch movies, TV shows, and sports. Second, high refresh rate models. Some high-end TCL Roku TVs, especially those with QLED or Mini LED technology, feature a 120 Hz refresh rate. These models are designed for gamers and sports enthusiasts who want smoother motion and reduced blur. A 120 Hz refresh rate helps improve fast action scenes and enhances the gaming experience. Third, motion enhancement features. TCL Roku TVs often include motion enhancement technologies, such as Motion Rate 120 or Clear Motion Index. These are not true 120 Hz refresh rates, but instead use image processing to create smoother visuals. True 120 Hz panels are usually found in premium TCL models. Fourth, gaming and refresh rate considerations. For gamers, a 120 Hz refresh rate is beneficial when playing on next-gen consoles like the PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series X. TCL's higher-end Roku TVs with 120 Hz panels and variable refresh rate VRR support deliver a better gaming experience with reduced screen tearing and input lag. 5. How to check a TCL Roku TV's refresh rate. To find out the refresh rate of a specific TCL Roku TV, check the model's specifications in the settings menu or on the manufacturer's website. Be aware that some TVs advertise Motion Rate 120, which is different from a native 120 Hz refresh rate. TCL Roku TVs come in 60 Hz and 120 Hz options, with most models offering 60 Hz and premium models, supporting 120 Hz for smoother motion. Checking the specs before buying ensures you get the right refresh rate for your needs.